My name's Bridget Palmer.
And my name's Haley Palmer.
And we're the sneak peek on the Snoring Dads. Now, have you ever wondered what it would be like to hear your dad snore? Well, if you do, your day must be coming true. Right, Mom? She loves this video. Now, this show will be all about hearing your dad snore. Now, we want to hear about what your dad snores like. But if you want to hear our dad snore, you have to say, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, since you do, well, let's try to see what he's doing right now. Now, sometimes they can be very, very quiet, like this. But sometimes they can be so loud that they can break a chair. And trust me, this is true because it's happened before a lot of times. Now, since you wanted to hear about our dad snore, let's try to hear it again. Okay, in case you want to hear what, like sometimes kids blame their dads on their snores. So Haley, can you show us what you do when you blame your parent on snoring? Good job. Now, you always have to make sure you're ready to hear a snore. So shh and listen. See our mother? She's making sure we're all quiet. Did you hear that wonderful sound of our father snoring? Just feel the breezy air. Right, Haley?
Right.
Now, as you can all see, we want to hear your dad snore. Now, we want to hear it loud and clear. Now, if you send us a video, we'll send you one back. Call Bridget Palmer
And Haley Palmer.
On the sneak peek at the Snoring Dads. Now, just for an extra bonus video, we are going to give you another video on how our dad snores. Now, this might be a while, and he might interrupt us, so enjoy.
So he's very snoring. He's a snoring dance.
As you can hear, he's very loud when he doesn't.
And he's a snoring dance.
Now, this is hilarious. I know this show, you could do this for hours, but so we'll need to go, but we have a couple more minutes to show. That's it for the week on the Snoring Dads. Cut.